What's up, guys?
What up, guys?
So today is a pretty exciting day for us because we about to we about to give our dad a ride along in this car, and it's gonna be like his first time getting a ride since we built everything. We did this setup, so it's pretty exciting for us.
So yeah, today's the day. He's gonna drive the car for the first time, also. So we're gonna try to get his reaction to the car, and keep in mind this is his first time driving a big turbo car, so that should be exciting. So we're gonna we already got the filled up the tank and stuff.
But nevertheless, he's used to fast cars too, so we might get a good reaction. He never been in a car like this fast, but he been in fast cars, so
Yeah, so
we might get a reaction.
we might not get a one that's
reaction. So
what we were looking for.
but nothing exciting. But it's like a dream because ever since we've been like kids, he been taking us into fast cars and stuff. So it's like now it's our turn to like let him drive like the cars we build. So it's pretty exciting for us,
Yeah, it's like
So
the tables have turned. So he used to bring us in his fast cars back in the day when we were kids. So now it's time for us to give him a ride in our fast cars. So.
yeah, and it's been a while since he touched a manual.
Yeah, he's gonna have to get a hang of the
So
whole
he'll-
stick shift,
Yeah.
and he's gonna have to get used to the clutch because this is the twin disc clutch. So you guys know that is a workout on your leg already. So
Yeah,
we'll see how it goes. We're gonna
but he already knows everything. But like I said, it's gonna be pretty exciting for us. So right now we're just my brother just put put gas in the tank. So now we're just gonna head to his house.
yeah, he was like 25 minutes away. So
Yeah, so we're
we're gonna cruise over there, and
we're gonna head to his house and then try to set up some stuff and get a reaction out of him and see how it goes.
what teacher?
So, all right, guys, my dad's not here, so we're gonna go on the highway and go for a spin and get his reaction to see if you like it or see how he feels about it. So yeah.
That's guys.
You can't start you up now, once. Your first time driving?
Yeah, it's my first time driving the car from the guys that set the car up, so just gonna take a spin and see why the car
Alright.
feel like.
Hey. something there now. So anyways guys, here he's we're gonna follow behind him in this car, and then we're gonna like catch the outside reaction. The GoPro is recording on the inside, and my brother is gonna use his phone to record as well, so we'll see how it goes. But off they go. All right, teacher. Danny, you next?
Yeah.
You going in there next?
Yeah.
You got used to that clutch real quick. Man, that shit sounds crazy. Teacher call Wesley. You guys see he's doing pretty good so far on the with the clutch, so we're gonna see how he feels when he take his first pull on the highway. Oh, they go turn off the truck track time.
Alright guys, so we're approaching Mexico, so you know, we just about to go do some pulls and see.
See what the car really likes.
Yeah.
They come by inside.
Yeah, go ahead, hang on a second. Start one second. You want to start 1 second.
clutch, all of that thing, yo. You know? I had to try and get used to the clutch part. You know? So get used to it. You know? Cause I'm gonna drive it more, you know? Have to build my car like this, yo, because I'm a fan of fast cars, so
Yeah.
maybe I have to build mine like this, you know.
Hey guys, you never know. Maybe one day the Wago will get something.
Yeah.
I know you guys like seeing the wagon, so
So
maybe one day.
maybe one day I have to build that wagon. I'm just smiling, man. You can see the smile on my face, yo. You know? Guys, they did a wonderful job, yo. You know? You see them doing this thing, and the first time seeing them doing this thing is like, I said to them, guys, you think you can do this thing? And they say, yeah, we're gonna do it, that. So I say, alright, go for it. You know? So I'm really proud of the guys, you know?
Night and day, a lot of work.
Night and day, a lot of work.
Wasn't
Being
easy.
through Holland Coal, yo, man. A lot of work I see they put into this thing, man. And to see it and finally drive the car for the first time and see how the car is reacting, man. You know, I'm proud of the guys, yo. They did a wonderful job, you know.
Popo down here. Put him the highway back. response you get from all the gears. Man, this thing is insane, yo.
Yo, that shit moves so fast. Now he's having fun with it.
different.
Sound horrible.
Man.
That sound wicked, man.
Yo, DJ.
Bark like a dog to blood clot. And I'm blood clot mongrel.
A pit bull.
Yeah.
Over, man.
Yeah. Doberman sound in here to blood clot. That's awesome. Not none time and 100 hard up there.
Yeah, man, that shit is fast. That shit is fast.
Nice.
Man, we did a great job building that car.
Yeah. Just you know what the thing when me like with it too?
Yeah.
When you know the hear the dark sound as it start and the galang bad and
Yeah.
when you touch it. And when you touch it and say you to learn it.
Okay.
That sound. Yeah.
Lick a couple piece.
Man. Prop.
Yeah.
That's the sound I'm talking about. Yeah. We're back now, guys, and
Yeah, guys are back, and you know, this thing is insane, man.
I think he loves
I
it.
tell you, I really loves it, yo. I'm really proud of the guys, man. The guys that did a great job, you know. So I'm really proud of the guys, man. You know.
Everybody, guys.
You know.
man.
Everyone that helped.
Everyone that helped, man. Everybody.
Yeah.
All of us had a hand in it here.
You know. All of us here. You know.
That's what it's about, guys. All the smiles and, you know, the joy it brings to everybody. You know.
You can see everybody smiling right now.
Yeah.
Feels good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels real good, man. This thing is insane. You know. And I'm a fan of power, yo. I really like it, guys. Really do. You know?
Man, this thing sounds crazy.